Please be ready for a dictation from material taken from the website legacyIAS.com on the comparison of Indian Constitution with British Constitution. This passage can be suitable for DDC PA skill and any other skill exam. 5 seconds. Start. The term sovereignty means supreme power. A very important feature of the British Constitution is sovereignty of the British Parliament. The British Parliament is the only legislative body in the country with unfettered power of legislation. It can make, amend, or repeal any law. Though in India's case, we have legislature at state level too, yet the law-making power of the Indian Parliament roughly corresponds to that of the British Parliament. The courts have no power to question the validity of the laws passed by the British Parliament. The British Parliament may amend the Constitution on its own authority, like an ordinary law of the land. It can make illegal what is legal and legalize what is illegal. Here there is a marked difference vis-a-vis the power of Indian judiciary to keep a tab on the legality of the law framed. Also, the basic structure, doctrine, lends the Indian judiciary further power to question the legality of the law in light of the fact that the Supreme Court of India is the highest interpreter of the Constitution of India. Constitutional position of the Indian PM is modelled on the British PM with one difference. In India, the PM can be a member of either House of Parliament, that is Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. However, this is not so in Britain. It is a convention in Britain that the PM will always be a member of the lower house, House of Commons only. It has been one of the advisory bodies to the King. It has lost relevance because of the emergence of the Cabinet. Cabinet decisions are the decisions of the Privy Council. It has some supervisory role with respect to University of Oxford, Cambridge, etc. It also has some role in resolution of disputes related to the church as well as a court of appeal in some admiralty cases. The House of Lords can propose and make changes known as amendments. However, its powers are limited. If it does not approve of a piece of legislation, it can only delay its passage into law for up to a year. After that, there are rules to ensure that the wishes of the House of Commons and the government of the day prevail. In fact, the House of Lords could be labelled as one of the weakest upper house in the world. Since the passage of the Act of 1919 and 1949, the House of Lords has lost all real legislative powers. It is simply a delaying chamber now. It can delay an ordinary bill for a maximum period of 1 year and money bill for a maximum period of 1 month. In comparison to Rajya Sabha, the House of Lords is a weak house. Rajya Sabha has equal powers with Lok Sabha as far as an ordinary bill is concerned, though there is provision for a joint session, but it is an extraordinary device. Rajya Sabha has equal power with Lok Sabha as far as the amendment of the Constitution is concerned. Rajya Sabha is also a delaying chamber like the House of Lords as far as a money bill is concerned, Rajya Sabha can delay the bill for a maximum of 14 days. Rajya Sabha does have some special powers which are not available to Lok Sabha. For example, Article 249 and Article 312. Stop.